Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, which is Sumit Tohdar with another job update. So before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and you can follow me in my social media, Facebook and Instagram for more updates, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start the video. So today the notification is given by the IITM, which is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorological Department, for the total number of posts 156, which is huge number. And remember that this is the only for contractual basis. This is the not permanent job, and this is only for 1 year. And the various post is given over here. In that, the first is project scientist grade 3rd, and for them the pay is 78,000 plus HRA, and total number of posts is 17, and then age limit is 45 years. And then second is project scientist grade number 2, and the salary is for them 67,000 plus HRA, and total number of posts is 37, and maximum age limit is 40 years. And the third is project scientist grade 2, and for them the pay is 67,000 plus HRA, and number of posts is 1, age limit is 40 years. And then fourth one is project manager. The pay is 1,25,000, and total number of posts is 1, and age limit is 65 years. Similarly, the project manager, project consultant, executive head, project scientist grade 1, senior project associate, training coordinator, project associate grade 1, grade 2, and technical assistant, project assistant, worker, scientist, administrative assistant, UDC, section officer, and project associate grade 1. So these are the posts for which IITM is recruiting on the contractual basis for 1 year, and for the total number of posts and corresponding age limit, and their pay level is also mentioned over here. And let me just put light on the some important thing, like for the serial number 11, the project associate, the total number of posts is 13, maximum age is 35. For them, in that out of 35, for scheduled caste only 1 vacancy is there, and for OBC 3, and for the economic weak section 1 vacancy is there out of 13 vacancy. Similarly, for the project associate grade 2, total number of posts is 10. In that, out of 10, the 1 is for OBC and 1 for the EWS. So everything is mentioned over here. And then the recruitment process will be purely on the online interview basis. In the and their experience, if they have the experience like from the reputed autonomous bodies, or like PSU or any central government bodies, then they'll be selecting them through their experience basis and their educational qualifications. And for them they have to write some online in skill test for the UDC and section officer. I repeat once again, for the UDC and section officer, they'll be looking the experience, plus there be some screening test will be there, and for the other posts they have to attend the online interview. So these are the selection procedure. And if you look at in their pay, some of the pay they have mentioned the star mark. For HRA star mark means this is applicable only for the candidate those who have qualified the national level exams like NET, CSIR, UGC, GATE, or having passed national level examination conducted by government of agencies and institutions. That candidate alone will be getting this star mark HRA. So this is not for everybody, so please you'll read it carefully. And then I told you the total number of posts is 156. And then there the online mode, the applied mode is that you can only apply through the online. You have to upload your CV online. The link is given over here. I'll put the link down in the description also, you can check it out from there. And then for more details you just go and read from their official website. I'll just put light light on some important points. Then the last one is 1st of August is counting as a cutoff date for their age calculation, age qualification, experiences, all that will be counting 1st of August 2021, and then only Indian citizens are only eligible for this. And then age relaxation is as per the government of Indian guidelines. So those who are seeking for the age relaxation, they can check it out. And then I told you for the post UDC and section officer, their experience will be like, if they have the experience from the government, semi-government, PSU, autonomous, research, reputed organization, that they can claim with some valid document. And then for selection for the post of UDC shall be on the basis of performance of screened in candidate in the written test and skill test. And the scheme of the written test will be uploaded in the website during August 2021. So remember that the post UDC will be written test, and the scheme of the written test will be available soon in the month of the August. So please you be updated with their official website. Till now they haven't given any update on the scheme of written test. They'll be uploading on month of August 2021. So please be updated with the official website. And for the other posts, as I said, there will be screened in the candidate in the online interview basis. So they'll be selecting you on the basis of online interview other than the UDC. Remember that other than the UDC, whatever post is there and they are recruiting, they will be conduct online interview, and based on that they are going to recruit you. And for the UDC there will be written test, and the scheme of written test will be uploaded in their official website in the month of August 2021. So please be updated with their official website. And then you have to upload your all the certificates while applying through online. And one more thing, let me mention you, like those who have the doctorate degree and that is not the essential qualification for that corresponding post, then their doctorate degree will be counting as a 3 years of experience if it is not mentioned as a essential qualification. So you can also claim it if it is not the essential qualification like PhD degree. And then these are the some important point you should keep in your mind before you apply. And if you need the in detail explanation or in detail requirement for the each post, you just scroll down this PDF link of descriptions, so you can go out there and check it out. So for each post in detailing everything is given there, like for project scientist grade 3rd, in which department they are supposed to work, like climate data management and dissemination, number of posts, what is their essential qualification, desirable qualifications, job responsibilities, everything is given over here in this PDF. So whichever category you fall in and for whichever post you are applicable, you just go out, scroll down in this PDF and look at the everything, desired qualification, job responsibility, essential qualification, number of posts, in detailing it is given over here. So these are the some important point and regarding the recruitment for the various posts of for the project post. Actually it is research oriented base. So please you go and check it out. If you think you are eligible, apply it on before first. So thank you sent by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. With this information I am signing out until we meet again. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.